Hello friends, I often get this complaint from some people who say that I'm not getting recognition or I'm not getting the due attention of some important people in my life, and this is one of the biggest pain point of those people. Friends, I want you to understand today one important aspect. While it's natural for all of us to be liked by the world, we all want to be liked. We all have these kind of expectations. But we must understand, if you lose the sense of proportion in this, you lose your freedom. Okay. Any kind of craving, be it craving for chocolate or craving for cigarette or craving for social media presence or craving for recognition and rewards. Craving makes you weak. Craving means if you do not get that, you're going to lose your peace, you're going to be unhappy, and the worst part is a person who gets into this kind of framework, this kind of mindset, often becomes thankless. That person doesn't recognize all the other greatest gifts of the life. Many of us have some of the greatest gifts of the life. A healthy body is a gift. A decent family is a gift. If you have enough to eat, good clothes to wear, some education and probably a job or many other kinds of gifts, enough friends, these are all gifts. And if you are not feeling thankful for this and only cribbing about one thing, that X person doesn't pay me enough attention or that Y person is not recognizing my contribution, and if that's the thing which has been in the forefront for all your complaints, then you need to think that you have lost the sense of proportion, and this liking to be liked has turned into craving. Now what happens when a person is craving? Not just he loses peace, not just that person will lose the sense of control, but that person will lose the sense of reality. That person will naturally turn into a negative person gradually, and that person will not be able to look at life in its totality. It's very important to realize that to feel complete, you don't need external help. The spiritual path suggests that each person is a composite self. You do not require anything from the world to feel that sense of completeness. Aham Brahmasmi, that's what our wisdom says. That I'm one unit which is composite, which is total in itself. पूर्णता का एहसास होना बहुत जरूरी है. इसलिए चाहे कोई तारीफ करे न करे, एक हद से ज्यादा उसे दिमाग में लेकर बोझ बना लेना समझदारी नहीं है. प्लीज think about it. If you're losing your sense of proportion, if you're losing your peace just because one person is not paying enough attention, क्योंकि एक इंसान ने आपके काम की तारीफ नहीं की और उसी को आप बर्डन बना के घूम रहे हो, तो ये कोई समझदारी का काम नहीं है. सोचिए इस बारे में. थैंक यू सो मच.